Titanium, T, and its alloys are receiving increased attention from various manufacturing sectors including the medical devices sector. It is possible that depending on the application, titanium casting may be replaced by an alternative method of powder manufacturing. Using additive layer manufacturing, or 3D printing, or metal injection molding, it is possible to produce more complex porous structures with improved mechanical performance, potentially matching the modulus of elasticity of local bone. In this review, the economic potential of using advanced powder manufacturing approaches for the fabrication of biomedical implant components is assessed. Given that biocompatibility and host bone response are critical determinants of clinical performance, published studies of in vitro and in vivo research have been considered carefully. The review concludes with a future outlook on advanced T production for biomedical implant applications.
This article is titled Biocompatibility of Advanced Manufactured Titanium Implants, a review, and was authored by Alfred Sidambe.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.